Are you looking to upgrade your Mercedes Benz C-Class W205 with the latest technology? Today, we are reviewing the Nunoo Android 14 Wireless CarPlay Multimedia System, available on AliExpress. This advanced unit is designed for Mercedes Benz models from 2014 to 2018, including C180, C200, C220, C250, C300, C350, and even AMG C63. It also fits GLC-Class and V-Class models with NTG 5.0 or 5.1 systems. Let us start with the core specifications. This multimedia system runs on Android 14, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 or MTK 8581 processor, depending on your choice. It features a stunning 10.25-inch or 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 720 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. You can choose between 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM, and storage options range from 32 GB up to 256 GB, giving you plenty of space for apps and media. Now, let us talk about the key features that make this system stand out. First, it is plug-and-play, meaning no complicated coding is required. It supports dual system mode, allowing you to switch between your original OEM interface and the Android system seamlessly. All original car functions remain intact, including the parking system, rear-view camera, radio, GPS navigation, and steering wheel controls. The Nunoo system also supports Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your smartphone without messy cables. It includes built-in GPS for fast and accurate navigation, compatible with Google Maps, Waze, and other apps. Plus, you get Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and music streaming, and a built-in microphone for clear voice communication. For entertainment, the high-resolution screen supports 4K video playback, and you have multiple input options, including 2 USB ports, 1 TF card slot, and 1 SIM card slot for 4G LTE connectivity. It also supports Wi-Fi, giving you access to apps from the Google Play Store. You can even use split-screen mode, so you can run navigation and music apps side by side. Another great feature is the customizable user interface. You can choose different styles, background colors, and languages to match your preferences. The system is designed for convenience and flexibility, making your driving experience smarter and more enjoyable. Installation is straightforward, and the unit comes with everything you need for a clean setup. Plus, it supports 360-degree panoramic cameras if you have them installed, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. Overall, the Nunoo Android 14 Wireless CarPlay system is the perfect upgrade for your Mercedes Benz C-Class W205. It combines cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and user-friendly features to transform your car into a modern multimedia hub. If you want to enjoy Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a stunning touchscreen, this is the system to get. Check the link in the description to order yours today and take your driving experience to the next level.